when you see membranes in hydrogen separations, this is nothing new. So it's done since decades. I think more or less since 50 years, membranes are used to recover or separate hydrogen from different process gas streams. So examples for this are like hydrogen from the purge gas removal from the ammonia industry. There's a petrochemical industry. In the syngas ratio adjustment, you use membranes. But also in different refinery processes, membranes are used just to get hydrogen back out of purge streams to be reused in different processes. So we didn't reinvent the wheel, we just try to make it better. So as Evonik, we are a special chemical company, and we have a lot of know-how in polymers. And we just use our know-how in polymers to make a very efficient membrane technology. So we just don't take one polymer to make a membrane, which we can use in, for example, nitrogen, and then in hydrogen, and then in helium or in natural gas. We really make every time a new polymer for each different application to have the highest efficiency in the separation process. And by this, we can make processes better and more efficient. Now, in the way of separating hydrogen from natural gas, we teamed up with Linde, as we did in other fields, of course, as well. And here we just use our membrane know-how to develop together with Linde a high select product, especially made for this separation hydrogen from natural gas. And Linde Engineering, they have a lot of know-how in gas separation, of course, in general, and they can combine the membrane technology with other technologies, like, for example, PSA, to come from a very low hydrogen concentration from one side to pure hydrogen and pure natural gas on the other side, and that in a very efficient way. And that, of course, makes it possible to use the natural gas grid, which is just there. We just have to utilize it to distribute hydrogen, which we make maybe somewhere very far away, maybe in the future, maybe somewhere in a desert, in a different kind of this world, and a different area of this world. And then after transportation here to Europe, we can just separate it out of a gas grid again.